Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Two Phones, back again with another informative video. This video is going to be about this cell phone company called US Mobile. Shouts to Stetson Doggett. He's one of the YouTubers I follow. He's always talking about these other carriers. So I'm going ahead and give him a little shout out real quick and probably drop his last video in the link in the description box. So recently, he did some test runs with this company using the Samsung Galaxy S10, and he was getting connection and it was working. So I go to the website, and as you can see, they got this chat button right here, says chatting and stuff like that. They actually got me a SIM card for free, so you can actually get a SIM card for free on US Mobile using one of their promo codes. Now, I can't give you their promo code. They have to give you a separate promo code. So all you gotta do is just go to this website, ask for a SIM card for free. What networks they're actually running on, I believe they're running on T-Mobile and Verizon network, but not at the same time. So when you get your starter kit, you will get two SIM cards separate. All right, you'll get a GSM SIM card, and you'll get a SIM card for the Verizon network. So they're running on Verizon and T-Mobile network, but not at the same time. And to be honest, they have some cool features, man. They have a customizable phone plan, right? Like, I know you guys are not, new to this, but it's just amazing that you can get a phone plan for as low as $4 a month. All right. You get one. See, as you can see, you can try us for free. So here we go. It popped up. Yeah, so you can try US Mobile for free for your first month. Also, you can use a referral code, and you can get phone plan free that way. But yeah, they're using Verizon and T-Mobile network, and I must say, the customer service online is really good so far, really good. I just signed up today. I get my SIM card in the next couple of days. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just check out usmobile.com. Like I said, they got great customizable plans from $4 to unlimited, which I think is all the way up to $65, depending on what your needs and wants are. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you all think about US Mobile? This has got to be one of the cheapest Verizon plans that you can get without signing up to internet companies or just using Verizon, period. So yeah, your boy gonna be using Verizon for free. But leave those thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.